So the first problem we have that you should have done is this one right here where it says Ruby's. Yeah, Ruby's employee makes 14.25 per hour. If Jerry worked 27 hours this week, what's his gross pay? What did he earn? So all you had to do is what? Multiply. So 14.25 times 27. And I want to see the setup because in a quiz, I might give you a problem and say which one's the correct setup. All right. So that's your setup. And all you had to do was enter it in the calculator, right? A lot of you guys turned it in late, but the important thing is you did it. All right. I'm looking at the grade. Some of you guys, I gave you 103 points, not 100. I gave you 3 extra points because you did it on time in class. And it's only 4 problems. So your answer should have been $384.75. And then you write your sentence. So if you got to write the setup, put a little check. Okay? Put a little check. All right? Right here. The setup is right and the answer is right. So there's two different, because sometimes you might have the setup right, but you might have typed in a wrong answer in the calculator. I'm still going to give you credit for the setup. All right? And then the sentence. Jerry earned $384.75 for working 27 hours. All right. And that's it. So there's 3 checks. If you got it wrong, just put a circle. Oh, I didn't multiply, whatever you did wrong. Okay. So far, so good. All right, cool. The next one is Thor. Thor worked 19 hours this week at McDonald's. He gets paid $13.40, okay, per hour. How much did Thor earn for the week? So what's the setup? Again, 1340 times 19, right? Times 19. So then what happens is that all you have to do is multiply. There's your setup. You got the setup right, bam, and then the calculation is right there. So that's your answer. $254.60. And then your sentence should be Thor earned $254.60 for working 19 hours. Okay? So far, so good? Pretty easy, pretty easy. See, that took us like 5 minutes. So far, so good. The next one. Captain America works at Bubba Shrimp and earns $18.04. That's 04 per hour. In 2 weeks, he worked 55 hours. How much did he earn? Okay. So again, what's the setup? The same thing. $18.04 times the 55 hours. Okay. So then when you do your calculation, what do you guys get? What do you guys get? Let's see. Here we go. 1804 times 55, 992. And so here you're going to get 992.2. Don't leave it like that. Please add a zero to make it a 20. It's not 2 cents. That's not how you write 2 cents. Okay. You have to add a zero. So some of you guys I know did that. Some of you guys probably put a 0.2 and that's it. But that's not a number. Okay, that's not a number. Okay, you have to add the zero. Like the other one with this one here, the answer was 254.6. Don't leave it like that. You have to add that zero to make it a 60 because 0.6 is not 6 cents. 0.06, like here, 0.04, that's 4 cents. All right, Andrew? Andrew?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. Did you go to sleep at 3 in the morning, YouTube? Oh, man. All right, good. I'm trusting you. All right, here we go. You just tired. All right. And then the last one, the last one was a little trickier, just a little bit of more stuff to do. Okay. So it says Wonder Woman works at Costco lifting boxes. Oh, she gets paid $18.20 per hour and worked 20 hours this week. Her second job pays her $17.90. Ooh, sorry, per hour and worked 25 hours this week. How much does she earn altogether? So basically, she has two jobs, right? She has a job here, she has a job there. So what do you got to do? You basically got to do two separate ones. All right. So the first one is what? 1820 times 20 hours. Okay, because you want a big number. All right. And then the next one is 1799. Oops, sorry. Times 25 hours. So when you do the calculation, you should have came up with 364, okay, for Costco, and then $449.75 for the second job. All right. Now, is that my answer? What do I do next? Does anybody know? What do I do next? What do I do next, people? I got the two jobs, how much we make. The question says, how much does she earn all together? Okay, this is like a fifth grade concept all together. What are you going to do? Add them together. Use your calculator. All right. And then once you add them together, very good. You add them together, and I should be getting $813.75. I believe so. So there's a check for the setup, your answer, setup, answer, answer. So you should have 5 checks. All right. And that's basically it. Okay. That's it. Ole. All right. So we're done with the. So right now you're gonna go ahead. Ooh. Let me go ahead and